I'm Mia.
I'm Maddie.
This week on the broadcast,
drone competition.
On Saturday, January 4th, 4 senior members of Marian's robotics team, nicknamed the Wasps, participated in the Whirlwind Drone Competition at North High School. After a long day of competition, the team of Kelly Williams and Mintsu Thama placed 4th out of 19 teams overall.
Effective use of downwash from the Wasp. Clear to land, and blue is clear to land. Into the net. 64 seconds left.
The day ended with a friendship match, which ended in a head-to-head race between the two Marian teams, with Claudia Archer and Delaney Baumberger pulling ahead and finishing out the competition.
Why the Wasps as the team name?
We did our team name of the Wasps, so it's like the Women Air Force Service pilots. Yeah.
What's the hardest part about flying the drone?
Well, we would like to say that it's the draft. Like the air in the ceiling, like it'll fly.
There's an air
down.
conditioning unit. It'll the drone will catch the wind, and it's really hard to steer.
Like you may not feel it, but the drone does. So it just like floats off into a place and
It's caught in the net. Yeah.
Why join the drone team?
And I just wanted to learn a different thing because I haven't done drones before, so just trying something new.
Yeah, I would agree with that. And also you get to like drive an object through the air and do different obstacles, and it's fun.
What are the requirements to join?
There aren't really any, just like wanting to try something new. I mean, if you can like play video games, you can fly a drone. It's not difficult.
I would say as long as you put in the effort and the practice time to do it, you can do it. I mean, you can really do anything you put your mind to.
New Year's resolutions.
My New Year's resolution is to continue to be extremely nice to all students and never say anything mean, and I have been quite successful at doing that.
My New Year's resolution is to pray more often so that I'm more patient with my children.
To answer every phone call that comes through my phone.
When we go out to eat, we like to go to restaurants that are locally owned and not chains, that kind of thing. So ours is a fun one. We like to eat.
My New Year's resolution this year was to not make a New Year's resolution.
Seasonal depression PSA.
Winter in Nebraska means less sunlight and colder weather. This can lead to a condition known as seasonal affective disorder or seasonal depression. Symptoms of this condition include low energy, hypersomnia, overeating, weight gain, and social withdrawal. This can be caused by the significantly lower amount of vitamin D received in winter compared to summer months. Things you can do to combat this include physical exercise, meditation, hanging out with friends, and spending more time outside when the weather allows. Don't let seasonal affective disorder make you sad.
Lolo's Angels announcement. Lolo's Angels and the Young Medicine Club are hosting a Lunch and Learn next Wednesday on January 22nd in the West Gym during both lunches. This is a great opportunity to learn more about medical careers and receive education advice from professionals representing a variety of medical fields. As an added bonus, the Lolo's Angels Club will be providing free cookies to all students attending. Make sure to grab your lunch and bring your friends to this fun and informative event on January 22nd.
thanks for watching.